All right, you guys. So we are making our invitations, our DIY. But look at how gorgeous these inside envelope flaps that we're doing. But this one's a family tree. So we are testing out our wedding invitations. This is the wax seal stamp that we're doing, and Eddie's just testing out right now. I'll show you the stamp, what it looks like, how big you need it.
I think it's good, huh?
Maybe you could smooth it out. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, I think she smoothed it out with that. But I think that's good.
And that's why it's called practice.
Yeah. And let it dry or no? We just do it right now. Oh, pretty!
And there you go.
That's gorgeous.
Well, obviously the C has to be on top, so I have to pay attention to C.
Oh yeah.
Which side do you have to?
You think we should put like a little sticker? Yeah.
That's really nice.
Isn't it?
That's gorgeous.
I love it.
Wow, looks super fucking clean. Even the brown looks good. I don't know what you're talking about. The brown doesn't look good.
I don't know. The brown looks really legit.
Yeah.
So it has like a really nice shine to it. Or sheen. It's so pretty.
Is it dry already?
So let's cut it out and see how it looks like in the envelope. Like, will it smash it? I don't think it does.
No.
Oh, look. It's hard.
Yeah, it's
like,
hard.
It is as it is.
Yeah. And then when you break it.
Like, don't break it.
No, that's nice because it's
Isn't
actually
it?
solid.
It's solid. And, like, put it in the envelope before you try to open it.
What? This. Which one are you testing out again?
The blue one. Okay. And you got an angle.
So you got to spin it around so it doesn't just light from one side. And then just get it ready. So once you start getting into the wax, it's going to drip. And make sure you get it on the middle.
Okay.
So let's practice. See?
Oh, shoot.
You got to be ready. So remember, you want a circle like you're making a crepe. So there you go, start creating this. There you go, Bubba. And you want to make it even, so it starts off in the middle and it curls around. So maybe the top side, go towards the top. Start creating that circle. You see how it's coming a little uneven?
Babies are pro at this.
Finish off a circle on the bottom right.
Like that?
The bottom right.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, right there. You see how it's like, you gotta create that shape.
You're gonna sell this to your admirer. You're doing like a love story? And then should I make it like a circle or you think more?
You have to complete the circle before I stamp.
Like that?
So now it's looking more. Now just make, you see how it's,
Now twirl it?
there's no
Like,
twirl.
Or can I make a circle? Like that?
Just let it happen naturally.
And then stop it?
Keep it, make it round. It still kind of looks like a little bit of a blob.
More?
Okay.
I think that's enough.
I think it's getting close now.
Stop it or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe blow it out right there while it's close. Good job.
Let me stamp it.
Go for it.
Right now?
Yep. See, I felt like you had to get a little bit, and just let it sit there and cool off.
Oh, I didn't even check to see if the C was upside down or not.
It's fine. We have to practice. Like that'll be a new thing. There you go. I think all of them look good.
They do.
Yeah, I think all of them look good.
How cute. That's really pretty.
This one's gonna look really badass.
I love the pretty gold. It's all sparkly.
Yes. I think just keep it thin, like I'm doing.
And it doesn't even have to be all the way because I saw one where it was like cut. I think that's good. Perfect, Lovey. I think that's it.
Let me just complete the circle.
Yeah, I think that's perfect. And facing down. There you go. You don't have to press hard, that's what she said. And let it stay for a while. Sealed with a kiss.
This one's coming out like badass. This one looks nice. I think your sisters are gonna be like, holy shit, my sister did this? Huh.
Oh, how beautiful. How pretty.
This one's a little short, so
No, it's cute like that. That's what I was telling you. I saw some where it's like half like, ooh, look at that sexy envelope.
That's pretty fucking sexy.
That's hot.
Like everything it matches. Like
Yeah. Make sure it's facing down and then it's going down this way. I like how it has like that metallic sheen to the wax.
right? And you're right, you don't have to press hard. Because when you press it, actually it makes more of a bubble. You just let the weight of it do the job. I said shit. Is it maybe okay that I cuss every once in a while?
Yeah, you dirty mouth, you.
I think it's good, right?
Ooh, look at that.
Just like everything.
I love it. Oh,
Gorgeous. You know what, like by itself, the envelope, how you were talking about, it's like maybe there's like errors here and there, but in combination with everything, you can't see the errors. There's too many things going on. It's too beautiful, you know?
Yeah. Look at how Biddy feels.
Yeah, Biddy's just a fat cat, John.
I just stamped this one. Blue is one of our favorite colors. Let's see how this one looks.
It's not even part of our colors, but we just did it. Put
enough pressure, because it is a stamp. This is our mint one. I don't think we should leave it like that, Bubba, because then that's how I left it alone. Stamp it like that.
I did press.
Okay.
You'll see.
Oh, pretty. Those are our colors. Oh.
See, I'm not, but you see when that overspill where it gets a little bit puffy? That's it. And it's a little off center, but it's actually still really cute.
Very cute. Love it. Alright, you guys, so these are all the colors that we have. We just tried the pastels. They're very pretty. And then we have the golds and reds and silvers right here. Very pretty. What's facing down? Make sure you put enough pressure.
What she means is you don't have to squish it, but you see how that lip comes up? The first one I squished a little bit. You get like a serious print from it, but you know, you also get a big bubble. That one came out real nice.
Look at that.
I like how none of it sticks on.
What do you mean? Oh yeah.
Onto the...
And I wonder if you would do the spoon. Oh my god, that looks so gorgeous, Bubba.
That looks really pretty.
This is my first sealed wedding invitation.
You want me to take it off?
This is pure gold, yeah. Better come out good.
That one looks
Look at
sexy.
that shine, just like bam in your
looks
face.
sexy.
Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at that, you guys. The video doesn't do it justice, but it's shimmering.
Did my mom
Look
see
at that,
this?
look at that. Now you can see it.
Oh yeah.
You can... Look at that.
These are all custom, unique invitations. You know that, right?
That looks like freaking like stone or something.
Yeah. Right?
Alright, this is Eddie's favorite. It's the brown bronzy color.
Boom, look at that.
That is so manly. Masculine. Look how gorgeous that is. See? So today is the day we are sending out our invitations for our wedding. It is exactly three more months until our big day, until we say I do. And all of our wedding invitations look beautiful. We have it sealed, stamped, and with our wedding invitations, you can see we have these with the liner. These are the envelope liners. These are so cute, as you can see. And these we handmade as well. And then on the other side, we have our invitations in gold. Look how gorgeous these are.
Oh, that's actually really cute.
Okay, so we have our professional photographer, which is my hubby. Wow, you guys. This is my old car. This is a Volkswagen convertible that I gave my mom. And I'm driving back. It's been forever since I drove this car. I think it's been like 2 or 3 years. But yeah, I miss my car. And we're just gonna go shopping today for the mother of the brides. So yeah, we're just gonna go shopping for the mother of the bride dress. Hi you guys, so I am here dropping off my wedding invitations. So today is the day where we are officially mailing out our invitations. It's around the corner. I'm so excited. I'll keep you guys updated with just like everything as we get closer, but pretty much everything's done. As long as we get the invitations out, then we are set to go. Now it's just the small details, but I am so excited. I can't wait for my big day to come. And thank you guys so much for being on this journey with me. And I hope you guys are having a great rest of the day. This is it. I am mailing out all the wedding invitations. I'm so excited for my guests to receive it.